Man, it feels good to be in front of the camera again. For those of you guys who don't know, I've been in the middle of starting up my own little business, making stickers, hats, masks, shirts, everything. So if you guys want to support the channel, support the build and all of it, for that rude interruption, but if you guys want to support the channel, the build, all of everything that I'm trying to accomplish, and you guys would like to cop a sticker or a mask or shirt, hat, drop a DM in my Instagram. I'll put my Instagram right here in the bio, and it really does help me, the channel out, and everything a lot. Alright boys, so before we go ahead and jump into today's video, as you guys can already tell by the title of it, we got new seats. Let me kind of just give you guys a quick little walk around and show you what I have been doing off camera. So right over here, actually, I went ahead and did this the other day. I don't know if you guys remember, but this whole piece was pretty much like cut out. I cut way too much. And so pretty much I molded this piece in, body worked it, put a guide coat down, everything. So that's that. It's not quite done yet, but I still have to shave or sand down these holes right here from when the wide body was mounted right there. But at least it's looking like a bumper again. Also went ahead and threw down guide coat on this whole side of the car. But coming to the interior, which is the main focus of today's video, I've been using this bucket as my seat, no more, but pretty much changed some stuff up. Went ahead and dyed the carpeting black, put in a new OEM armrest. As you guys know, my old one had the remote right here in the middle. I just wanted to kind of just clean the interior up, make it look, you know, factory yet still custom, so went ahead and put that in. The console right here, I am super happy with. This is actually a mix-up of, obviously, as you guys know, my car is auto, but so I went ahead and used my auto console with a G35 manual console molded together, and that's pretty much what we have. That's how I'm able to get the shift boot and everything. So this whole section right here is completely custom. And then since we don't have seat warmers anymore, these buttons are actually shaved. And then I have the 6-speed automatic to manual adapter to where we just push that down, and that's pretty much that. And then I got the green Sirikawa right there, went ahead and painted, so that's looking really good. So really all this interior needs is just the seats, and let me tell you guys are absolutely going to just love them. Alright, so before I go ahead and show you guys the new ones real quick, let me go ahead and show you the old ones. So here are the old ones right here. We have the red NRG seats with the green harnesses, which I never got to enjoy because the car was broken down. Alright, so those are the old ones. So now let me go ahead and show you guys the new ones. I hope you guys like them. I really do. I think they're so nice. So here they are right here. Let's go ahead and get the package off. Ooh, baby, look at that. Yes. So right here we have the 6-speed Gaijin, I believe is what it's called, or something like that, seats. So I went with all black. Originally I was going to do the black with white stitching or even green stitching, but I just figured might as well just keep it super simple and just go with the all black. And it actually does have this carbon right here. This I did not even know actually, but it does have the carbon that kind of goes up to about here, which you guys will see all of that in just a second. And it did come with seat sliders, which was dope. So I went ahead last night and put the mounts on. So pretty much let's go ahead and get this thing fired up, get the car moved over, and let's go ahead and get the passenger thrown in. I do not have mounts yet for the driver's side. Those come in on Friday, so you guys will see that in this video as well. But as for now, we're gonna go ahead and throw in the passenger side. Alright, so first things first, we need to get the harness actually put on. just on this corner right here, because when it's in the car, it's going to be a lot harder. So let's go ahead and get this on. Alright, let's hope everything goes in well. Fits up nicely. The hard part is when trying to get all the bolts in super tight spots. We're trying to get the harness in now. It's like not much space. Harnesses are crazy, man. They're definitely annoying, but we got it done. And I mean, let's look at that. Just look at everything. How good that looks. Like, I wish you guys can see it in person. I no words, dude. I'm beyond happy. Just gotta clean up the seats, but we got everything tied back. Okay. And there it is. I mean, that's pretty much how it looks. Super, super happy about that. New floor mats. So you got the front and rear. They are universal mats, nothing made for the car, but that's fine. Set, not bad. Just gotta shape this one. I'm gonna end up putting Velcro so it kind of holds where, you know, I want it. Same thing on the driver's side, but dude, look at that. Nice. All right, guys. Mount came in, and so we're gonna do that today as well. But dude, oh, I am so in love with it, guys. This is absolutely unreal and super, super clean. And the seats are the same height. I have not sat in it yet, so let's go ahead and test it real quick. Oh, I like don't even want to put my feet on anything. Yeah, this is nice. Much higher. Put the seat up a bit, but oh my god. This is unreal. Unreal. I just love it. Look, I wish you guys could see it in person, dude. I'm telling you right now, camera does no justice on how clean this really looks. I have a bag over the other one still. I'm gonna put a bag over this one too. I don't even wanna get them dirty or anything. But the good thing is, since they're leather now, I could literally spray it down, clean it, wipe it off, and all of that good stuff. But dude, look at that. The green complements it so much now. And I am going to be getting new harnesses in the future. I'm gonna match with the seats, some 6-speed ones. But there it is, guys. That's pretty much the interior. It's basically complete for the most part. I'm still have one thing on the way. It'll be here tomorrow, and I'm gonna make a video on that as well. But it's gonna be one more thing for the interior. Alright, guys, so that's pretty much what I have for you today. Make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Hit that thumbs up if you guys like it, and subscribe if you guys have not already. So close to 4,000 subscribers. I'm really, really trying hard to get there. Just bear with me. I'm trying to get back onto the regular schedule, 2 to 3 videos a week. But like I said, with everything going on in the world, the fires in California that have been taking place, kind of put me on stop for a while. I didn't want to be in the garage. It just reeked of smoke. And on top of it, I'm just really focusing on trying to get this business going. So again, if you guys would like to help support, comment down below or add me on my Instagram. It would be a lot easier. And check out some pictures of what it is I am selling. And from there, yeah, I'm so excited, guys. 4,000 subscribers. We're gonna do a giveaway, and stay tuned. Interior is pretty much complete, and I absolutely love it. We're gonna start doing some body working again very soon, and I know paint has been kind of taking forever. I know we were supposed to have the car painted a while ago, going to wide body and everything kind of changed that up. But bear with me, guys. A lot of good stuff to come. Trust me when I say that. Hope to catch you all in the next one. Until next time, guys, as always, peace out.